India's men's doubles pairs of Harmeet Desai, Manav Thakur and Sharath Kamal, G. Sathiyan won bronze at the Asian Table Tennis Championships. Desai and Thakur showed great grit and determination in the competition, entered the semi-final clash in good form, having beaten top seeds Noshid Alamian and Nima Alamian of Iran in the quarterfinals in straight games. But they lost against Koreans Jung Woo-jum and Lim Jong-goon in the semis. In a special chat with NNIS Sports, Manav Thakur said he wants to improve his world ranking in the seniors.
So my yes, the next target is like I want to break into I want to improve my world ranking in the seniors. I have done it in juniors and youth. Like I became world number one in both the events. But now I want to start make my ranking better in seniors as well. And at the same time, yes, upcoming there is world championships, Commonwealth Games, Asian Games. I want to go there and perform well and bring medal for the country. But like currently, I'm working on my fitness. I'm trying to improve more strength because I'm very lean. So I need to work on my strength and make some powerful strokes with good quality. So I'm doing that and just focusing on the process, and eventually results will come. Performance at the Asian Championship in Doha, I think it was one of the best performance for the Indian team. We won three bronze medals, and I won two of them, one in teams and one in doubles. So am very happy, and it was a dream come true moment for me. I have done this in juniors also, Asian juniors, but this was the first time I won in Asian junior in senior. So I think it was a dream come true moment for me, and also sharing the podium with Sharad Kamal, Satyan Bhya, Harmit Bhya, and Sanil Bhya. So I think it was a great team effort, and thanks to each and everyone for their love and support. I think biggest takeaway from this competition was I think we had a very good team spirit actually when we played the matches. We had good team meetings, and also I got to learn so many things from Sharad Bhya and Satyan Bhya, like what are they preparing before the matches, like what is the diet, how they read the opponent's game and how they strategize, and how do they implement their tactics. Like for example, there are many players who know how to play like so many things, but it's very difficult to go there in the match and implement that. So I got to learn that what are they doing, they're just keeping this thing simple under pressure. They're just focusing on the tactic, not focusing on the result, and eventually they are getting the result. If not now, then maybe later. They are for sure they are getting the result. So I think that was the biggest takeaway for me in this competition. So the preparations for Asian Games and Commonwealth Games, yes, they have begun, and we are trying different things. For example, we are starting off with doubles because in team championship the first match will be doubles. So we are trying new combination of doubles. Like I am playing with Sharad Bhya in the next competition, and Hamid Bhya is playing with Satyan Bhya. So we are trying out different pairs, and yes, each and everyone is training very hard for Asian Games and Commonwealth Games, and hopefully we'll try to bring medal for the country and perform like how we performed last year. So yes, hopeful to win medal in Commonwealth and Asian Games as well. I think on the competition day, like in the doubles semi-finals, when we were competing against the Korean pair, Lim Jong-hong and Jang Woo-jin, like we were the underdogs because we defeated the top seed 3-0 in the quarterfinals. So like we were high on confidence that we are playing better. Me and Harbit, we have been practicing also so much, and we are from the same place, Gujarat and Surat. So I think we were very much chilled out. Like we were so confident. We are very confident that we will go out and try new things because we knew that the Korean pair was very strong. So we need to play. We should not take so much of pressure. We should just go and play freely. They would be under pressure because we have defeated the top seeds. And in the start, I think it was very difficult for us because we are not getting the rhythm. The Koreans were very powerful, and they were good. They were very fast. But after 0-2, we got some rhythm, and we tried to play more free. And then it was like we were going all out in our strokes, and the strokes were landing, and it became 2-2, and in 2-2 we were leading 6-4. But at that time, I think the Korean duo they took a time out and they changed their strategy, and I think that made a difference in our match. But in the end, it was a very close match, and it was very helpful for me, and also for Harmit Bhaiya, that we had that belief also in the start that we could compete with them and we could even beat them, and that's what happened, and we are very happy with our performance. And next time we'll improve, try to improve more, and maybe go for gold.